Madhav is the owner of the cow. Total property is 130 acres, 130 acres. But don't worry, we can't cover all the 130 acres. So here we're showing you a demo. So now let's start with this tree. Over here, this tree, that's a cinnamon. Cinnamon is actually bark of tree and it takes around 10 to 11 years to get the bark. One oil is extracted from the bark, the cinnamon oil. That oil you can use for joint pain, muscle pain, arthritis and spondylitis problem.
ये दालचीनी हाँ
But originally cashew is not from Brazil. It's originally from Brazil.
Okay. And then they brought it over here.
Yeah, initially they brought over here to prevent from a soil erosion.
Okay.
Then later it becomes a commercial.
Okay.
Now over here, this tree, you can see the red seeds, the red beans. That
So
one.
behind.
Yeah,
behind,
that's your
behind.
coffee bean. It's a coffee tree. When green berries turn red, we pluck them and then we send the factory that is grind, roast and powder. Green coffee is good for weight loss like a green tea. But right now you won't get any smell of the coffee to the day. It's just like a seed. When you roast it, the color of the coffee changes and that time get the smell of the coffee. Be careful over here.
these are irrigation, right?
Yeah, sprinklers.
Sprinkler.
This is a fresh water flow. On the top hilly area, we have a waterfall. So that's a flow waterfall, and that water we are using for an entire plantation. Now here, this tree, you can see some fruit over there, like a lemon, the green one.
Oh yeah.
That's a nutmeg. Mushkat. It fruit grow lemon in size, and when it mature, it open by itself and falls down. From one fruit, you are getting two spices. One is the nutmeg, and another one is the mace. Mace is the covering shell of the nutmeg. And whenever you're using that nutmeg, always use in a less quantity because it has some drug property. If you consume in much quantity, you feel drowsy. It even can affect your brain. The person either may go into coma or die also if you consume in much quantity. And that's why to always use in a pinch, not more than that.
Leave it in there.
No, the next thing
Yes, it's right.
Bar down.
How do you know what they did? Just walk past it.
So now over here, this tree, you can see some fruit over here, the green one. That's a chocolate tree. That's a cocoa cacao from which your cocoa powder chocolates made. So inside that cocoa pod, you'll get a cocoa bean, the white bean. Upper white pulpy part is your cocoa butter, which you are using in body lotion, cosmetics and all. And inside that white part, you'll get one black seed. From that seed, your cocoa powder and chocolates made. When they mature, you're getting a yellow reddish in color. That time we are harvesting it.
Again, is that from South America? Is that they brought
Yeah,
it
right.
here? Yeah, yeah.
Ghana is the largest producer of cocoa. Wow.
Varol. केळी
So here, this long palm tree, you can see some fruit over there, the orange green one, this one. That's a betel nut, areca nut or supal. So that betel nut is intoxic in nature. One raw betel nut is equal to 30 ml of whiskey. And that's why many people chew it. It's like addiction to them. So if you have that raw betel nut, you get a high just for 10 minutes, and after 10 minutes back to Goa. Normal life, I can say. And its harvesting is quite interesting. The climber or person doesn't climb on each and every palm tree. It climbs on one palm, throw the betel bunch down, and then he swings from one palm to another, just like a monkey, Tarzan and all. That tree is strong and flexible one. One tree carries 200 kg of weight. And you can see some round ring marks on the palm tree. From the round ring marks, you can count the age of a tree. So 3 rings of this palm tree is equivalent to 1 year. We can count the whole ring, and I can do a divide by 3. You'll get the proper age of that tree. Come.
पान.
So now over here on the creeper, you can see the seeds, the black green one, this one.
Yeah.
That's a pepper, black pepper. The pepper are of 4 types: green, red, white and black. Right now it's green. When ripe, its color changes to red. The red one, when you dried it, you're getting a black pepper. That red one, when you boil in a water, that red skin goes off, you're getting a white pepper. All 4 have a same creeper, but the processing we are making it different. That white pepper is good for eyesight. Just take 1 or 2 white peppercorn, crush it, add in the milk and drink it before going to bed. Night time you can take it. Even the number of your specs will decrease if you have any glasses problem. And if you have any acidity or constipation problem, go for the black pepper. Just take 1 or 2 black peppercorn, crush it, add in a warm water and have it morning before breakfast. Within few minutes, you'll get the powerful result for constipation. Like tsunami in the tummy. So you can try that remedy at your home or near the toilet area.
Only one physics for 7 days.
Now over there on the top, you can see some machinery set. Over there preparing a feast. Heard about cashew cream? Cashew cream is Goa's famous local drink, local alcohol made from a cashew fruit or a cashew apple. So in traditional way, we collect the cashew fruit, not the nut, fruit part on the floor and extract the juice by stamping it with the lips, just like a grape wine. But right now everything is modernized. Now with the help of that machine, juice is extracted, then we keep the juice in barrels for fermentation for at least 1 week. After fermentation, you can see that vessel, that's a distillery, spreading a distillation process. After distillation, the first product we get is called the hood wrap, also called as a jungle juice that contains 12% of alcohol. Second product is a cashew creamy that contains 43 to 45% of alcohol, which is a stronger form of alcohol. If you consume in much quantity, you will start dancing without musicals, flying on the top of the sky. But if you have in a smaller quantity, like 10 or 20 ml, it works as a medicine. Feni is good for cough and cold. It acts as an appetizer and it's a very good blood thinner. Now, after these two, if you want to taste that Feni, let me know. I'll serve you small shot of Feni like a medicine. So don't worry, you won't start dancing over here. You can take in a medicinal way. And in case if you want to dance, then let me know. I'll give that
So it's probably not a good idea to have black pepper with Feni. Because then every
Smell, what is the smell?
nice. Compost.
Compost.
Manure.
So now, over here, this plant, and look over there carefully. You can see some chili on it, the smaller chili over here on the plant, this one.
Oh yeah.
So that's your peri peri chili. Whatever the peri peri sauce you're getting in a market, that one. So that chili is 3,000 times more spicy than normal chili. In Goa, we're calling it as a Portugal chili because they have introduced chili over here. Size of the chili is that much only. That's the last size. When it's ready, when it's mature, getting a bright red in color. Right now, if you have that chili directly, you won't get more effect. But next day in bathroom, you'll remember the chili for a lifetime. It's
Yeah.
like small nuclear bomb to you.
What is it? Crush it and smell it.
Fresh and smell.
It's not baby.
Masgi.
It's a spice.
Tej patta.
Tej pata.
Can you guess this? Oh, no, not allowed. That one is totally
Eucalyptus.
not a
No.
It's a spice. Which spice smell you're getting like?
Bay leaf.
It's not baby.
Not bay leaf.
Not a baby.
Can be so there is some bad smell coming around. So
That's a menu. Okay, I'll tell you. So now here, this tree, that's called as a allspice. So that tree gives a fruit.
Yeah.
From one fruit, you're getting an aroma of all the different spices. When you crush that leaf, every time you get different smell, and that's why I can use. Originally, that tree is discovered in West Indies, that side, also called as a Jamaican spice or Jamaican pepper. From a fruit, we're making a powder. That powder you can use in any dishes, and even you can use that leaf the way you're using a bay leaf. That way you can use it. Fruit and leaf, both part of the tree can use it.
But what is the spice called?
Allspice.